right now, we went back, but none of the above. But Danny in the house over here, and I mean, we kind of went to a wrong location right now and shit. But like now we're here and shit, and it's basically the Sunlight Award. I didn't even know that shit, bro. Like no one even fucking told me about it, or I didn't fucking get informed or anything. But anyways, let's get done with the talking and let's go inside so I can show you guys the surprise. We just got to the mall and they already got distracted. We haven't even gone out the door, bro.
Tea.
Alright fam, so they told us to wash our hands before we go into the aquarium. This is a surprise, by the way. Shit is fire. Let's wash our hands real quick. Looks like the sink from Wing Daddy's.
McDonald's.
I just want to bring my towel away, so fuckers. Alright, bet. So, alright, cameraman's gonna wash your hands. Quick. Alright, man, so right here, shoot crab. Polar crab. Yeah, nos dieron 7 tokens para hacerlo feed. By the way, they gave us 7 tokens to feed shit. Oh shit, stingrays. Oh my god. These are beautiful, bro. La reacción de la Oh my god. That's how I know that everything that looks cute is dangerous. Oh, I found Dory, bro. Look at that. There's like 3-4 Dories in there, bro. Oh. Hey, I knew it wasn't gonna take me long to find that. What about over here? Oh shit. Mr. Krabs' girlfriend, bro. That's crazy, bro. Alright, so they're about to feed them. Hey, y'all want me to... ¿Quieres que lo haga? Ah, no. You do it. Come on. La tienes que poner más para abajo. I saw a little shark right there. Look. Look at that don't.
This is a real shark because I've never seen one in real life. Intro music.
I know. Shit.
¿Por qué no viene?
Oh, look at that. Look at that one.
Se le está dando un show porque aquel no viene.
Damn, it feels like I'm underwater right now.
No viene.
Shit. There's like a better view over here on this side. Look at that movie over here. See? What up? Look at that. Oh, dear Lord Jesus Christ. That's a lot of birds. Oh, damn. Okay. From down here. Ooh, that's a lot of birds, bro. Look at that. That's a lot of birds. Touch tank. Touch tank. So let's touch the tank real quick. Wait. Oh, lobster down there, no? I know. I was about to get my fingers bit. right here. Let's see. No se nos cambien, sin miedo, sin miedo. A ver. A fish has a longer attention span than a human, and that's crazy. A ver. Una acá, a ver, que me agarra la manita. A ver. A ver. Echarle un poquito más, a ver. Se está peleando, mira. Me toca a Daniel ahora. A ver. Ese nomás se los echó todos.
No, güey.
Es que pensé que le hice así, güey, nomás.
No.
A ver.
No te pases, güey.
Ya sé, mira. Imagínate traer al tite aquí, güey.
Lo que corre con todo bien. A ver, riéguense. Riéguense, culero.
Ah, pues ya. Ya chingamos, ya chingamos. Cabello, sol. ¿Cómo se llama ese, güey?
No sé, ¿cómo se llama?
Camaleón, ¿no?
¿Caico?
Ah, no, Caico. Se dijo Caico. Mira hasta viborón con patas. Ay, no.
Está bien dormido el güey.
Is chill like that? Oh shit, is chill like that. Ese güey abre el ojo.
This is what,
Ese güey no está dormido. Ese güey no está dormido, ese güey abrió el ojo.
se ve como esos animales que eran las snakes antes de que
Wow.
fueran sus piernas. Dices,
He's an old guy. He's really old. He's like 25.
Oh, damn. You guys know Danny ain't afraid of no reptile. Oh, it's cute, man. Snake is down. Snake is back there. There's like a python down back there. Bro, damn. Bro, there's a random ass big ass turtle in the corner of the room. I have no idea. That shit looks real to me. I don't think that shit's fake at all. Look at this big fella.
Want to take a cup of birdseed? There you go.
Oh, thank you.
There you go. All right, let's go in.
I need to like, because I'm gonna like cover it. I thank you very much.
All the way down there. Let's see.
I'll meet you.
All right, you guys, say birdie.
Birdie.
Look over here. Look over here. Don't dump the food, okay? Look over here and smile. Say birdie. These are very friendly pet birds. They can't hurt you, okay?
They're all getting on top of me, bro.
They do bite. They nibble a little bit. They bite and nibble a little bit. It won't hurt. The males are just gentler about it than the females. The males nibble and visit. The females tend to pet really hard.
That is funny.
Yeah, they love jewelry.
Look at that guy. Oh, you're so cool. Oh, dude. Oh. He's on top of the camera, guys. Look, this one's eating and stuff. He's just having a whole dinner party. I have like one next to me. He's trying to like, he's trying to snap my chain. Yeah, yeah, he's biting me over here. Look at that guy, he's biting me. A lot of birds. Look in my ear, that's funny. You want some pops? You want some? Look at the other one trying to snatch my chain. That is funny. This one's still having a meal break, as you can tell. Look at the one in the back of me. He's like trying to get that gold shiny ass chain on. He's trying to get that shiny chain over here. Look. That was so cool.
La carilla era.
Look, over here fighting. He's like rolling and rolling. He's like, look at this boy. Aw, it's playing. He's already out.
Can we get the other experience?
Now that's a door that reminds me of SpongeBob. Oh, there's more turtles over there. Bro, how long do you think that is? Hello. You wanna read it?
Yes, let's go.
Oh, he's
Madre,
like,
me lo caló.
he's like, I feel like she's happy.
¿Quieres jugar ese juego o qué?